Hi everyone, happy Thanksgiving. So today is Thanksgiving in America, but I am making my sweet potato puffs, and this is actually my grandmother's recipe. I don't know if she made it up or if she got it somewhere, but I know it as her recipe, and I am happy to share it with you guys. So what I did is I took 2 cans of the pineapple slices, and I did not drain the juice. I added 1 can of juice to a bowl, and then the other can of juice I have in here, and I'll add it as I need it. But I took the rings and I just laid them flat in a 9x13 baking dish. So to this, you need sweet potatoes. So I use Bruce's yams. This is what she used, so this is what I use. And I usually use one of the big, I think it's a 46 ounce can, but they didn't have those. They only had the 29 ounce cans. So I got 2 of those, and I have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. Now I did drain the juice from these lightly. I drained it. I didn't take them out and put it in a colander or anything like that though. And then to this, I need to add a 1/3 cup of brown sugar. And I kind of packed it in lightly, I guess. And then a teaspoon of baking powder. And then you also need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So that's just a little bit of salt. So I'm just going to put some in my palm. Put it down. And then you also need a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. If I could open I'm just going to pour a little bit in there. It's a little bit more than a 1/4 of a teaspoon, but that's all right. And a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Salt. I need 3 tablespoons of butter. And this is softened butter. There we go. That's about 3 tablespoons. And that's about it for this. So I'm going to start mixing this together. I'm just using a hand mixer. And you want it to be pretty smooth, and there's no harm in tasting it. I'm just going to use my finger. That's good. Oh. I don't think it needs anything, but if you do at that point, if you want some more cinnamon, or if you want some more yam taste or whatever, you know, do you. But that is about perfect to me. Watch out, babies. I guess I can just leave that. So I don't even need the extra pineapple juice or anything. It seems like it's perfect. And then what I'm going to do is get, well, if I can find it, here it is, muffin dipper. It's like an ice cream dipper, only I use it for muffins. And then I put it straight on top of a pineapple ring. Now my parents would probably double these up. So everybody would get 2 helpings or 2 scoops of the yams. Oh, and it says 400 degrees. Oh, well, I have it at 350. I'm going to go with 350, and I'm just going to go just a little bit longer. I wanted to make enough for there to be leftovers because this is really good. And I know some people don't like sweet potatoes, but this might be a good opportunity for people who don't like it to try it a different way. Maybe you'll like it this way. I honestly don't know anybody who doesn't like it, but I think that everybody in my family likes sweet potatoes too, but it's not everyone's favorite. But it is one of my favorites because it reminds me of my grandma. So I have some extra in here, and I am going to double up on some of them. That one was kind of messy anyway, so I'll double up on that one. That one looks kind of pretty, so I don't want to double up on that one. And I am going to put a lid on these after they're finished cooking before I transport. Oh, I was knitting, so that's what this thing is hanging from my bracelet. I'm doing some, what's it called? Cabling. Let's see, I guess I'll do this one a double. It doesn't really matter how pretty they are because I am going to put a marshmallow on top of each one. So there we go. And if you wanted to put 2 marshmallows, you could do that. Whatever you like. And you just stick a marshmallow right down on top of each one. My dog wants a marshmallow. I wonder if she'll eat it. Gosh, I hope marshmallows aren't bad for dogs. I didn't even look it up. So these are called sweet potato puffs, and it is something that I grew up on, but we only had them on Thanksgiving. So I'm just gonna put them in the oven that's preheated. Look at that, I grabbed exactly enough marshmallows. And then I will let you know when they're out. Okay, so they were in 350 degrees for 20 minutes. And oh my goodness, this is perfect. They smell so good. Oh, that one lost its little marshmallow. It fell down. I might have to try that one before, after they cool down, before I leave. Maybe I have to have one, you know, taste it, make sure. Now there is a little bit more juice in this one than in this pan. And I usually like it a little bit less juicy, but I'm not gonna worry about it. I know that these are soft and they're just perfect. I can't say anything more. But then everyone just gets their own individual puff. Aren't those cute? So thanks for watching, and I hope that you all have a very happy Thanksgiving. I gotta go get myself ready now. Bye.